Hey, it's Gabriel Brown here. I want to do a quick video on how your voter registration could affect your credit reports. Now, a lot of people say, voter registration, what does that have to do with my credit reports? Well, let me tell you, your voter registration card is one of the things that many creditors and data report providers will consult to determine where you actually live. So this is a way of verifying your address. So if you are voting or if you're not voting, at least they will think that your voter registration has the correct address. And when they research that information on the data reports that are provided out there, they will find out where they believe you actually live. So sometimes you'll find that there's addresses on your credit reports that you cannot seem to get removed. They keep popping back up. And it's because the credit bureaus research the data that they find from data report providers about your voter registration cards, okay? And the information on those cards, most particularly, is your address. That's what they're very concerned about. And so if you update your voter registration card, you could positively impact your credit report, because now you won't have these random addresses that continue to pop up on your credit report and you can't seem to get them deleted. They're associated with your voter registration card, okay?